Look closer.
I'm telling you, the file is trash. The Constant doesn't so much burn his bridges as blow them up. Arthur Edwards, whoever he was, don't exist anymore. His personal data somehow deletes itself from any system that records him, way beyond advanced. The partners spared no expense to make sure their controller would be untraceable.
How untraceable?
Look, I did what you asked, but Gray's gone and I'm no Diana. I'm not who you need right now. You gotta be kidding me.
ICA?
I used every encryption known to man. Who are these guys?
The best. It's only a matter of time before they get lucky. We need to take them down.
You and which army?
I know where the agency stores its files, mission reports, client data. If we leak it to the public...
You want to whistleblow the ICA?
It's the path of least resistance. Turns out, you are who I need right now, Olivia.
I do this, and I'm out. So, what are we breaking into?
Data facility in Chongqing, China. Run by a man called Hush.
Of course. The ICA site in Chongqing houses the agency's data storage and analyst division. Needless to say, security is daunting. The state-of-the-art server vault is biometrically wired to the facility's two overseers: Imogen Royce, behavioral analysis pioneer, and Hush, a data security guru with a taste for fringe transhuman experimentation.
Tell me about Hush.
A former cyber terrorist for the Ministry of State Security in Kadanyang, who fled his country after one of the Po regime's periodic purges. He made a career doing cybersecurity for dark web deplorables, human traffickers, organ harvesters, scum like him, with no code or conscience. ICA sure can pick 'em. No offense.
Can you disable security?
A dual authentication protocol ensures that any handling of data must be directly authorized by Hush and Royce, the proverbial human factor devised to make the system impenetrable. Luckily, I found a loophole. If both overseers should unexpectedly die within a short space of time, the system reverts to a temporary fail-safe protocol, which I can bypass. Take them off the board, and you'll have free access to the data core, and I'll handle the rest.
And you're sure it'll work?
Look, I know Hush. If I'm wrong, we won't live long enough to regret it.
All right. I will leave you to prepare.
Chongqing, China. This city is Big Brother's wet dream with more than 2.5 million cameras covering 15 million people. Privacy is a four-letter word in this place. It's pretty ironic that a cloak and dagger organization like the ICA keeps its most valuable secrets here. You'll find Hush conducting his fringe experiments in an abandoned apartment building, while Imogen Royce, the archivist, runs the day-to-day business of the ICA data facility. I just hope you know what you're doing, 47.
Out here with that information. What's going on in that little kids. It's 3 in the morning, and I swear I've seen at least 4 chefs turning out for work.
I think we might underestimate the power.
Hey, you up there? Hi.
I said, did you find it? Dad? Not yet. It has to be up here somewhere. We'll keep looking.
This is a restricted area, sir. Please leave.
Sir, this place isn't for you. I think you have the wrong location. We're a shelter for homeless people.
Myers started handing out to the homeless really got them flowing in.
Yeah, but it creeps me out how they're different when they leave.
Yeah, I'd say they're different when they enter.
Come on. You know what I mean. Like, they're not quite there. Some of them in a really bad way. I'd never accept.
What's that? Someone should go and see. Now.
Yes.
I'm gonna be rich. Get the hell out of here. I got this video, and it says I can make a lot of money to be in some experiment.
You don't want people like us to that sort of thing.
No, they only want people like us. The party ghetto.
That means it's too dangerous for rich people. Don't do it.
Oh, I'm going. This is my... With a bridge and boots. You know?
That was weird. You, take a look.
Copy that.
It's funny how kids look so innocent when they sleep.
Adults look like imbeciles. I don't know. John looks a bit... Excuse me?
Hey, could you find out what that was?
On it.
enjoy your company. That's nice.
Man,
Me too.
Yeah, that last guy wouldn't shut up about the experiments.
Have 1,000 questions. An hour.
What are those experiments about?
I overhear stuff, but I don't. Tell me anything about who we're looking for. Everything went so fast.
It is a little
I didn't
freaky,
get a good
though.
look at.
Homeless. Upstairs, I've seen Russians split up.
Calling in. Calling in.
But I have some ideas. I think.
We have intel on the suspect?
Never really got a good look at the perp.
That you think is how you want to spend all the money you get, okay? Be positive. Do that and come on.
I worry about him at times. I was just so focused and...
Come on. This is my chance. Is that supposed to make me feel better? Because it doesn't.
Why?
I don't want to do it. This.
This subject is...
Sir, you should go back the way you came. You might, and stay out.
Remember to...
That's
add
him.
a footnote concerning...
Hush the bastard.
Oh, stop.
Wow. He looks a lot older.
I can't have made myself clear. This, don't get me wrong, but I hope we never meet again.
Oh, you're alive.
You got the bastard, Hush. Now go get Imogen Royce and we can get to the core.
But I have some ideas. I think if we diffuse the focal point of the emission, the down into the that of course that means that we can get the design. Write up your design and I'll get input from Hush.
Just want to see.
Ah, my knee is so sore.
Why's that?
I fell over against a homeless woman. Stabbed yourself out, right?
Great. Like we need more security.
Shit. What was today's code? 113? No. Come on.
on, think! 01. Definitely 01 something. 18? Yes! Got it. 0118.
Welcome. Please follow the grey line to security check. Thank you.
If you use your camera, you can hack that panel.
Oh shit.
And it's off.
You can hack that panel with your camera, 47.
Security protocol overruled.
So what's next? Ah, yes. The full body scan reveals potential for various employee failure scenarios. We evaluate many parameters and...
Security protocol overruled.
sorry, sir. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to let you pass. Orders, you know.
There's no way you're getting through that door 47. It only opens for people with an authentic security clearance. The signal is encrypted. Without a dongle, we can't hack it.
Where is he?
Say what?
That's Imogen Royce. Quite the bitch, apparently. Nothing wrong with her look, though. Edgy.
That's odd. We should check that prop toss out. Can you go and have a look? Where is he?
Both targets down. Good. Just give me a second, and I'm in. You can now access the core 47.
I just don't feel comfortable with Royce knowing intimate stuff about us. I know she's all about security, but what the—
Eyes open, mind sharp.
Yeah, me. Here, just checking out a strange sound. Over.
Security protocol overruled.
Good. You're alone. I'm sealing the room and dimming the windows 47. No need to worry about intruders. It's all here. Clients, operatives, every hit the ICA ever sanctioned. Enough to shut them down for good. But first, you need to locate all files referencing Diana and yourself. Go way back. I didn't realize that you... I don't know. I get why you want to protect her. So, wipe all the data referring to the two of you from their system before we publish the rest. Okay, good. I've set up a link to an information nonprofit site. When you press that button, it's up there and the whole world will know. There's no undo 47. This will shut the ICA down for good. You really okay with this? It's who you've been for so long.
Maybe it's time for a change.
I'll just return things to normal. No need to alert them we were here prematurely.
Detected.
Shit! I missed that. We're blown, 47. I can hold the doors for a little while. Use the vents to get out. Go, now!
All personnel, breach protocol initiated.
This is bad. That means they'll shoot on sight. I'm gonna create some havoc, 47. Make the core melt down. Maybe we'll divert their attention a bit.
Warning, core overheating. Warning, core shut down. Temperature critical. Warning, fire detected.
Copy, command. Still looking. No sign of... The perfect.
All personnel, breach protocol initiated.
Command area is all clear. Please advise, over.
Warning, core overheating.
Roger, command.
Warning, fire detected.
Stairs are clear.
All personnel, breach protocol initiated.
Command, I have nothing to report from my current location. Looks like we got trouble on our hands. Don't know what yet.
Warning, core overheating.
Corridor, there's nothing here.
Warning.
You there?
Fire detected.
You've got to be kidding. It's happening again. Be done with the crybaby shit? Let's go get our bad guy. On the double. All right. Let's give it to him. Area clear. Proceeding to next sector.
All personnel. Breach protocol initiated.
Man, yeah, I'm here now. It's all clear. Over. What's that, Command? Okay, continuing search.
Warning. Core overheating.
Copy, Command. Still looking. No sign of the perp. Guys! I need some backup! Holy... Command? You read me? Boys, I think we're about to go from the frying pan into the frickin' fire.
Warning. Fire detected.
No!
All personnel. Breach protocol initiated.
Still looking. Area clear. Proceeding to next sector.
Warning. Core overheating.
Command area is all clear. Please advise, over.
Warning. Fire detected.
Got nothing. Stand by.
data leak bombshell causing shockwaves across the world, the so-called ICA files. The disclosure of...
You win. So, what happens now?
The ball's in your court, Miss Burnwood. I do have other candidates, you know. Most of whom have never tied me to a chair.
You've seen the news. That was 47 acting on his own. He is untethered, he is unstoppable, and he cannot be bargained with. He will find you, Mr. Edwards, and I'm the only chance you've got.
I'm listening.
47 has one weakness. Me.